So we just got back to camp. I think we're gonna head to, where are we going?
Dead Horse Point.
Dead Horse Point. Keep calling it Dead Tooth Point. I don't know why, but you already know. We out here. Could use a nap though.
We can just go. He's gonna meet us at the lot.
All right. We have arrived at the next stop on the tour. Dead Horse Point, Dead Horse Gulch. Something about dead horses. It's pretty cool. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, if I haven't said it before, this is ridiculous. I don't want to get any closer. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. That's enough for me.
See if I can't hit it again.
Was that it? Was that it?
How do these naturally form? The glaciers, of course.
Derp.
Dur.
This is love. This is love. Look at this love.
Could there be love? That's not how it goes.
You got a peach for me? Oh, look at this. She knows I keep a ring or two. So I'm thinking about tonight. Last night was pretty cold. We might try the air mattress tonight. Air mattress with a space heater.
We can try it. I think if we can run the heater longer, I think it will be.
All right. See how this goes. Cooking up dinner. Got to bring condiments, so that might be an issue. At least we got buns and bacon. Bacon's the only condiment you need anyway. I'm flipping the bacon. I'm flipping it. Meg, what is this again?
Pumpkin chicken, black bean, green chili, or
Pumpkin chicken black bean.
Yeah,
rude.
I'll just eat it.
You can't take credit when you didn't help.
I see what you're doing. You think I'm gonna break?
6 hours later.
How'd you sleep, baby?
It's a fun. Woke up like one.
Out here, first one up again. Chico's taking a poop. I might do the same, get some coffee, and we'll get after it. Stay tuned. Something down there. I just saw it. There it is. It's the mouse. He's back. Oh, it's a chipmunk. Kona, you coming all the way up this thing? Really? Look at this little dog. Came all the way up there just to say what's up. Good morning, Kona. Good mornings. Good morning, little Kona. You wanna go have some breakfast? Let's go have some breakfast. Bacon potatoes. So you add a little salt, then a little pepper, and after the pepper, you hit it with a little GP, and then a little bit of the salt again. I need Mr. Grigsby for the presentation. You actually did yours right.
There you go, bro.
Look at that
You
thing.
guys headed after
You.
this.
Grigsby got a drone. And one more time.
That's it. So it turns the fans on gently so you know that it's on.
The fans?
You the fucking whatever you call it. Whoa, I got the helicopter dust everywhere.
What we're gonna do now is just a very, very, very quick flip it in the house.
That moment's gonna happen when you're gonna get that break. You just gotta be ready. You just gotta be ready.
Very, very quick flip it in the house.
That moment's gonna happen when you're gonna get that break. You just gotta be ready. You just gotta be ready.
Coming straight at it. There you go. Coming down. Nice.
Easy back tire coming up
Tires
now.
are starting to go, so just nice and slow. I'm trying to save the back end.
Easy, easy. It's all right. Just the hitch. Nice.
Yeah, that was too simple, dog.
Very, very quick flip it in the house.
Bringing it out.
What I gotta do, let y'all niggas know. I am the nicest ever. I'm feeling you, babe.
Who knows? Maybe it's $40 a month. I just feel like everybody would be doing it.
Wow.
Truck stores out here. That's genius.
All right. That about wraps it up.
Where are they?
You can see Derek's head. There. Now it's time to head home. I'm in drive, can't get out this way. Now I'm in reverse. We out here, but not for long.
Bye, Kim.
So we were supposed to leave at 3. It's now 5:01. Filling up gas one last time just outside of Moab. Then it's 6 hours back to Denver. So until next time, we out here. Or we were there. We going home.
That was a what?
How do these naturally form? The glaciers, of course.